Pozdrav od Grifon DS kanala, dobrodošli u novi video. Danas ćemo da igram igricu Max Payne 3 kao što vidite. Igrica je iz 2012. Tad je izašla. Ja sam već probao prvu misiju i eto da probam da vidimo, misije nisu kao misije nego već podijeljene na chaptere, ali to je u redu za sad. Sada što ću da uradim, idem na story i nju. Ajmo na medium. Ali dobro. Ovako igrica počinje. Mislim da je sadašnja radnja se radi u Sao Paulu. Jedino što nisam uspio da uradim jeste da uključim subtitles. Tako da nećete moći da vidite šta piše, već ćete morati da slušate. Meni je žal, dobro. Igrica je napravljena od strane Rockstara. Ja volim sve pretežno njihove igrice. Jedina koja mi se ne sviđa nešto je Red Detention. Ili tako nešto, ne znam sad. Uvod će dugo da traje, ali ću ostaviti, neću da ga sjeckam. No, uvod će možda baš dugo da traje, neki 15 minuta i tako. Baš mi je drago što mogu da snimam ovu igricu. Od kad je izašlo 2012. Ja sam htio sam da je igram, ali nisam imao dobar kompjuter. Mislim, ova slika na koju sada je stavljena na sto, mislim da se tu nalazi, to je slika nije, nego to je baš slika njegove žene koja je poginula, koja je ubijena i ne znam sad u kojem dijelu tačno, prvom ili drugom. On radi kao telohranitelj. To je to. Igrica mi se sviđa baš zbog priče, ima baš dobru priču što mi se mnogo sviđa. Nemaju sve igrice takvu priču. Grafika za 2012. je baš dobro urađena. Jedino Mafia 2 iz te godine ima takvu grafiku, nešto oko toga. Između ili od 2012. pa bolje nemaju ovakvu grafiku kao što oni imaju. It certainly ain't New Jersey. U prošlom dijelu mislim da je on bio u New Jerseyu i odatle je otišao za Brazil. U ovom baru te večeri sve se promijenilo. To ćemo u sljedećoj, u drugoj ili trećoj epizodi doći ćemo do te. Po epizodi planiram da radim po jedan chapter. Pošto za 2 dugo. A meni internet spor, tako da ne mogu da uploadujem dovoljno brzo. Evo je. Michael Payne. I Rose Payne. Čudno pod uvod igrice je dosta dobar. Jack Daniels, naravno. Ovo mislim da je drugi dio. Mogao bi ovdje da skipujem, ali ako skipujem preći ćemo Preći ćemo bitan dio priče, tako da neću.
Well, that's what they had paid for, so in the end, that's what they got. Say what you want about Americans, but we understand capitalism. You buy yourself a product and you get what you pay for. And these chumps had paid for some angry gringo without the sensibilities to know right from wrong. Here I was, about to execute this poor bastard like some dime store angel of death. And I realized they were correct. I wouldn't know right from wrong if one of them was helping the poor and the other was banging my sister.
Evo ga, počinjemo. Sao Paulo, Brazil.
I'd arrived in Sao Paulo a few weeks before. I was working a protection detail for the kind of people who need protection in a town like this. And what kind of town was this? One where I didn't speak the language and they didn't water down their drinks. So for now, we seemed to get along just fine. Of course, that was about to change.
Hey, brother.
Hey,
How's the
Njega je
cocktail?
upoznao kao ono baru u New
Scotch.
Jersey.
I never mix my drinks.
Well, at least not on duty.
Something like that.
Man, that favela is big.
Yep. Nothing like the view of extreme poverty to make a penthouse cocktail party really swing.
I guess they call it trickle-down economics.
That's funny.
It's supposed to be a charity thing. Drink and give money. I don't know, something for the kids. Hey, listen, man, we better look lively. This place is a nightmare. We just got cowboys running security downstairs. Something rotten in the air.
That didn't mean much. There was always something rotten in the air. The family we were protecting were local celebrities, rich parasites with delusions of humanity.
On,
Kind of people who end up
on
in glossy
štiti
magazines
tu
with body
bogatu
bags,
porodicu.
depending on how their luck runs.
Već su imali dolje problema sa telohraniteljima, ne znam što se desilo.
Yeah, I don't know him.
No, onaj onamo glavni, ne ovaj, nego onaj prvi što ste vidjeli. On je, mislim, glavni član porodice.
Serious, though. Big end cop.
A ovo je njegov prijatelj kojeg je upoznao u onom baru u New Jerseyju.
Who's this guy?
That guy's a plastic surgeon or some kind of surgeon.
Ovo je plastični hirurg.
Cock implants. Ha, look at Marcel.
Eno je. Onu djevojku moramo da, ovu ovdje u žuto moramo da da čuvamo od otmice, pošto je ona sada glavna meta.
Oh, excuse me.
I was mostly working for Rodrigo Branco, a local businessman. Built
Eto ga,
things, did
businessman.
some charity, had things named after him, won awards, owned things, people. One of the trophies he had won was his wife, Fabiana. She
To je
was hot,
njegova
wanted to be
žena,
dangerous.
pogrešno sam
Jeans,
rekao
trying to
ćerka.
fight their way
To je
out of
njegova
the
žena
system.
koju moramo mi
She
da
married
čuvamo
well,
sada,
there was now
ali
leisure
to,
to
kao što
regret her
znate, Max
good
Payne
fortune.
neće
They got
uspjeti u
along as
početku.
well as any rich workaholic and his younger airhead wife tend to get along. They mostly ignored each other. She spent a lot of time with his cokehead younger brother, Marcello. He was a good time guy if your idea of a good time was an expensive suit, a bottle of champagne, and nothing between the ears. The middle brother, Victor, had just walked in. He was a
Ono
local
je...
politician.
Aha,
Guy was smoother
Victor,
than an
brat.
oil slick on an iceberg and about as toxic. The rest of the crowd, I didn't know. But I could imagine the types. People who know if they drink enough, they won't have to feel guilty about their good fortune. Suddenly, things turned real ugly. Felt like our hangovers arrived right on cue.
A evo ga počinje klasični uvod Max Payne. Ništa ne može da krene kako treba. Ali dobro, to je Max Payne. Uzeše, kako, Viktora. Eno je Fabiana oteta. Viktor i Fabiana. Evo ga, čuveni Max.
Things had gone from fine to fucked up in about a second. And now there were two idiots at the wheel.
Ovo mi je najmoćniji uvod. Ovo mi je najmoćnije što se rekli.
Got the floor?
Sure.
Look up,
Stvari
please,
su
don't go.
pošle od dobro do zajebanog u roku od 1 sekunde.
Trophy wife or not, I'd said I would protect the girl.
Evo ga. je taj klavir? Sam vidim. Joj.
And I was still a little rusty. But the tune was coming together.
Pa
Just
dobro.
as this new
To je
start of
bitno.
mine was about to come to a shuddering halt.
Ovo dolje što vidite, to su sve
She was out on her
favele
balcony.
u predgrađu
I hope
Brazila.
not about to be thrown off it.
Ajmo gdje dolazimo ovdje. Vidi ti to.
It might have been stupidity or drunkenness,
Evo ga,
maybe both.
čuveni.
But before I knew it, I was back taking insane risks, trying to save fallen women.
Ajde, Max. A, što ti je? Evo su dobri. A vidi ih.
Tranquila, tranquila. Nós cuidamos disso. Nice work.
Kakva je?
Okay, you need a hand?
No, you? Who the hell's Rodrigo?
I don't know, man. Thanks.
Somebody's gotta go find him.
Está tudo sob
Otišao je
controle.
za Rodrigo.
Fica tranquilo.
A vidi ih. Kakvi su? Mučenice. Opa, to je to.
I imagined the elevator doors opening to a
Tako
firing
se to
squad of
radi.
muzzles. As far as I could see it, the one thing
A
my
ne,
plan had
niste.
going was that no one else would be stupid enough to pull this move.
Dobro, ovu igricu ostavit ću vam link u deskripciji gdje možete da je preuzmete. Samo sekund, op. Yes. Ajde, pa.
Keep moving. I didn't want to fuck this up more than I already had.
Zeznuto je ovo. Uzet ću pumparu. Evo je pumpara. Opa. Uka. Opa, šta je ovo? To je to može ovo.
It looked like they
Možda je
were
ovo
taking
čak i
him
bolje,
out
ne
through the
znam.
basement. Maybe I still had a shot. Rodrigo was too rich a prize for them to throw away. Sure, I'd have to work hard to get him back, but I knew the bad guys would want the boss alive almost as much as I did.
Sakri. Bježi. Yes.
They weren't far ahead.
Uh.
Once I opened the door, I'd actually have to come up with a plan.
Samo sekund. Samo da pokupim metke, ovako ako skupljate metke. Metkove ili kako hoćete. Na CTRL trčite brže. Zeznuto. Na metak ovdje.
The great
Gdje
thing
je ona
about being
slika?
famous as well as rich is the bad guys know who to kidnap.
Iha.
Dragging Bronco along would slow them down.
Morate tragovi, onda lakše ćete da rešavate ovo. Ajde, ubij ga. Opa. Oj. iskoči. Nisam ga očekivao. Jao. Odmah bi se provukao udar. Ne bi čekao lik. Hop. Iha, kako puču. Gdje ovaj? A nemoj sad da mi reloaduješ. Kako vi špucah. Samo da skupim municije. Uzet ću. Gledaj. Lakše, jadan. Opa. Dum. Kako ga? U glavu. Sam nije jasno kako je ovako izašla metka.
You're okay. You're okay. Yeah. Come on, get up. Come on, get up.
Vidi ga.
You're okay. Come with me. Okay.
Ovo je bilo nezgodno. Nezgodno.
Ei, vocês aí! Que porra vocês estão fazendo? A justiça local?
Que porra você acha que é falando com meus homens assim?
Você acha que tem o direito de matar as pessoas a sangue frio, Becker?
Cala
A kako mi krivo što nisam stavio prevod da ima... Ne prevod, nego titlu barem.
Não é chamado. Vamos.
Vamos i hajde, valjda.
Chama uma ambulância!
Vidi ga kakav je.
Fuck.
Evo je
Hey,
Fabijana.
Max.
You say so. Don't look so good.
Hey, what could be better, huh? The good guys are reunited and the Commando Sombra are dead.
Yes.
Komando Sombra.
I don't know. Some kind of cop. Different branch of the police. Not UPE, but normal cops. I don't know about this stuff, politics. Everywhere politics. Shit, Max, you look kind of beat
Aj,
up.
kao i u svakoj državi, politika je na prvom mjestu.
Come on.
Vidi ova dvoje. Ovo je srednji brat. Ovo je najmlađi, ovo je srednji. Vidi ga, kao po običaju. Oni, šta je ono? Kong, sa Kongom, odnosno Jack Daniels. Opa. A da, bit ćemo najbolji prijatelj, nema veze. Eha.
And with that,
Šta mu?
I guess I was ready for bed.
Čudno mjesto. Nešto nemam želju neku da živim u Brazilu. Bilo to, ako ste uživali, ostavite like, share i subscribe. Mi se vidimo u sljedećem klipu. Ćao.